Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Sunday morning vlog. Guess what? We forgot to shoot an intro and an outro when we were down at Treasure Island.
And we did not even realize it until we went to load the footage, and I'm scratching my head going, okay, I can't find an intro or an outro. We must have been so dazzled by the room, which you haven't seen yet.
So we're sitting here in our living room, and we're going to do our intro from here.
We went to Treasure Island for an overnighter on Sunday, and you are going to see that trip.
Guess what? This adventure starts right now.
Treasure Island. If you saw our walkthrough of TI about this time last year, you already know that it's one of our favorite old-timey themed Vegas resorts. It's been here on this corner since 1993, and even though high-end properties like Venetian, Palazzo, Wynn, and Encore grew up around it since then, it remains a great family destination with terrific curb appeal. We literally decided to do this 2 days beforehand and booked ourselves a suite, one of the 220 suites and almost 2,900 rooms here at TI. We chose early check-in and did not pay any extra fee for that. There was no waiting at the lobby, just a quick temperature check, and we got our keys immediately. And it's such a pretty lobby here. We should note that TI received the AAA 4-diamond rating for 14 years running. All right, let's go check out the room.
Come in.
Holy mackerel.
This is TI's Tower Suite, a 930 square foot studio-style room with an unbelievable strip view. We start in the foyer and step into a huge seating and dining area. We just love that table that sits right in front of the window. The bed is a king-size sensational pillow top with a lighted, padded headboard. There are nice useful touches also, like USB charging ports, a coffee maker, a refrigerator, and lots of storage. And then there are the bathrooms, 2 of them, featuring marbled floors and countertops. The smaller one has this marble shower stall, large vanity, and closet.
How are you?
I don't come with the suite.
You don't? Wow, you're sweet.
And around the corner, the bigger bathroom has a huge walk-in closet with a dresser. There's also a huge vanity and mirror with spa amenities and a whirlpool tub. Let me just say, all we kept saying is, wow.
This is your tub. I'm assuming, oh, it's a jacuzzi. Wow. It's beautiful.
But we saved the best for last. Let's just appreciate this east-facing view on the corner of Las Vegas Boulevard and Spring Mountain Road. Siren's Cove is 27 floors below us. That's the lagoon and the ships. And across the way, we have the Palazzo and the Wind. This is breathtaking.
Well, hey, this is living, is it not? We haven't been down to the Strip in a couple of weeks, and we decided it was time to treat ourselves. No more of the bargain basement rooms. We called the Treasure Island and said, we want your best room, and here we are on the 27th floor in a 930 square foot suite. We are excited. We got in early so we can really enjoy this Sunday staycation. Have to check out tomorrow morning, but we're going to do our best to enjoy every bit of this. So the room cost $189. That was the price on the website, and it was called a TV special, and it excludes the resort fee. So believe it or not, we're just paying the room, $25 tax, so $214 for this room. Certainly more than we paid at Harrah's and Paris, but you know what? We deserve it. So we are going to go down and check out the pool. We're going to reacquaint ourselves with TI, and we are on one of the best corners on the Strip. On a Sunday in July, we're going to go exploring.
TI's pool area is open at this time of year from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. We had a short wait in mid-afternoon. As parties were leaving the pool area, the next party was allowed in. The rule at the pool is that masks must be worn at all times, except when you're actually in the water. And there were people on patrol checking for compliance with that rule. We admit it was really hot out there, and that was a challenge. The pool deck is huge and spacious, with plenty of lounge chairs. On weekends, the pool features a live DJ playing tunes from noon to 6 p.m. You'll note the cabanas and daybeds situated around the pool area are available for a fee. Drink and food service is also available, and of course we had to snag ourselves a G&T. It's very loud. I don't think you can hear me, but we got 2 gin and tonics with Tanqueray. Cheers! All right, enough of this lounging by the pool stuff. Let's go see what else we can find at TI that is only accessible with a room key.
That's good.
The Cassandra Spa and Salon is located on the 3rd floor of the TI Tower, although it is currently closed. During normal times, though, the spa offers world-class treatments, techniques, and products that are designed to reconnect mind, body, and spirit. Here's a fun fact. The spa was designed by and is named after owner Phil Ruffin's wife, Cassandra. One floor down on the 2nd floor is the TI Wedding Chapel. This elegant space with its marble altars and classic decor can accommodate up to 65 guests. The wedding chapel is open for business now in case you're thinking of tying the knot. And if you fancy a bit more excitement for your wedding ceremony, you can get married aboard the ship in Sirens Cove. Okay, we've been looking down at this from 27 floors up, so it's time to get down to street level and get close up and personal with the TI Boardwalk. We are just as enthralled now by these 2 ships as we were back when they engaged in the Battle of Buccaneer Bay. We covered the fun history of all this in our Treasure Island video last year, and we'll put a link in the description box in case you missed it. Nowadays, the ships are just great photo ops, but we remember the good old days. Also out front is Señor Frog's, which opens at 5 p.m. these days. It's a great spot for a margarita and some authentic Mexican bar food. And we can't miss this opportunity to just turn around and appreciate the magnificent view of the Palazzo and everything going on around this famous corner of the Strip.
Hey guys, we are in front of Treasure Island, and we've had quite a day so far, haven't we?
Yeah, it's late afternoon on Sunday. We did the room tour. We hung around the pool. We had a gin and tonic. We took a little rest.
Yeah, and it's so quiet down here in the Strip, isn't it?
So we wanted to come down on the Strip and just pick up some of the vibes here on the boardwalk right in front of TI. I'll tell you what, though, there's a lot of people at TI. That pool was packed. We actually had to wait to get in. It was jam-packed. I think TI is quite busy today.
Not so much out here. I think it's because it's a little bit hot.
It's a little toasty.
It is a little bit toasty. All right,
anyway, we
we're
are
gonna move
heading
on.
over to the Fashion Show Mall. We have a little errand we want to run over
Yeah,
there.
we're going to go check out a place for somebody in the UK.
And we're taking you with us.
We'll see you then.
All right, we braved the mid-afternoon heat across the pedestrian bridge to Fashion Show Mall to take a closer look at the sugar factory. We recently learned that this was the flagship restaurant for the brand and wanted to see what all the fuss is about. It was busy on that Sunday, and we couldn't even get in the door. But not to worry, folks. We know that weekdays are when you can get the best access to popular spots. So Paula went back to have lunch inside the Sugar Factory.
At street level is the huge restaurant that can accommodate about 400 people, and look at this fantastic decor. Red leather, great artwork, and crystal chandeliers. Who even cares about the food when you're in a place this gorgeous? But the food is amazing. Sugar Factory is known for pancakes and waffles, burgers and salads, milkshakes and sundaes, and every dish that came out of the kitchen was an artist's creation. Just look at mine. Look at this waffle. Big thumbs up on this place. All right, you guys, look at my lunch. Sugar Factory is famous for waffles. This is my lunch. Thank you so much. So there you go. With a side of butter, syrup, berries, cream, dark chocolate. Heaven on a plate. Wow. Now, on the way out, you want to be sure to stop at the candy store and load up on some of these goodies, or get yourself a scoop of ice cream for dessert. Sugar Factory is actually 2 levels at Fashion Show, and on the upper level are the Chocolate Lounge, the Sculpture Garden, and the Gazebo. This space can be rented for weddings and parties with great views of the Strip and photo ops galore.
All right, folks, I want to interrupt this video temporarily here. As you notice, Paula actually went back to the Sugar Factory in the afternoon to have her lunch, right?
3 days later.
Yeah, 3 days later. But we were actually going to have our dinner there, and of course it was too busy, we couldn't do it. So we went and had our dinner at Gillies.
Right, back at Treasure Island on Sunday. So, it's one of those time-lapse thingies.
Yeah.
We're back to Sunday.
So you're going from the Sugar Factory where she's eating something, and we're going to Gillies where we're going to eat something again. But I didn't want to cut the Gillies footage because it was kind of good.
Yeah, absolutely. It's really cool decor in there. Check it out.
All right, let's go to Gillies.
If you've been coming to Las Vegas for a long time, you'll remember Gilley's Saloon in its original spot over at the Frontier. When Phil Ruffin bought the TI, he installed a fresh new version of Gillies right here next to the Strip and kept the barbecue and the honky-tonk alive. The decor in here is pure American West. Nowadays, Gillies is open for dinner with a limited menu from Thursdays through Sundays from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m.
All right, guys, we are at Gillies on the Strip, which is right in front of Treasure Island. I'll tell you what, I love this Gillies, and I used to come here a lot, didn't we?
For green
chili.
The best green chili.
They have a limited menu, and there's no green chili.
He's very disappointed,
I am
you guys.
disappointed. But we ordered some food. I got a salad coming. Paula's got, what do you got?
I got pulled pork. You guys are going to love the looks of this thing.
So we'll show you the food when it gets here.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll cheer Dale up.
I'm okay. I was a little shocked. I was all set for green chili.
Poor guy.
Pork. What'd you get, Paula?
Pulled pork.
Okay, I'm not exactly sure what kind of salad this is.
It's an apple chicken salad.
Apple chicken salad, yeah. And no dressing. I never get dressing on a salad. So.
After dinner, we spent a little time at the casino. I tried my hand at video keno, and Paula captured some of the theming left over from the days of bawdy pirates and buxom ladies. After a lot of circling and searching, we did finally score a seat at a bar where we could order a cocktail.
We're back at Treasure Island inside the casino, and we found a bar called the Breeze Bar. So when they say bars are closed, they are closed, but the bar tops are closed, but they have some tables here, and there are actual waitresses here to serve you. So I got myself a beer, $8, a little better than $10 at Gillies, and Paula got herself a glass of rosé or White's Infidel.
Here's a quick update on the restaurant situation at TI. In last year's walkthrough, we covered every restaurant on the property. Today, that fabulous sports bar, the Golden Circle, is being remodeled or dismantled. It's hard to tell. The steakhouse is not currently open. Senior Frogs, the Seafood Shack, and Gillies are open for dinner, but with limited menus. The coffee shop is still available, also offering a limited menu. And the pizza shop near the guest elevators, Francesco's, offers pizza by the slice or the pie and is open daily from noon to 6 a.m.
Okay, that wraps up our staycation at Treasure Island. Paula, what did you think of that one?
Oh, you haven't said that to me in a while.
It was driving me nuts not to say it.
Hey, it's appropriate. I actually thought that room was stunning. I wish I could have stayed 2 nights because it was amazing.
It was a fabulous room. 2 bathrooms, 2 closets. I mean, what more could you ask for 2 people? I mean, we didn't even have to see each other the whole time we were there.
Well, there you go.
It was great.
Ideal.
Great.
The view out the window was spectacular as well. The only caveat I would say about TI is finding food is a bit of a challenge. Make sure you do your research, your homework, because things have limited hours and limited menus.
A lot of the restaurants are closed as well.
Yeah, so we had actually not been down to the Strip since they closed the bars, and we were intrigued to see how that was being handled, honestly.
Yeah, we wanted to let them iron out the kinks for the last couple of weeks. That's why we sort of did off the Strip type of things. Well, we went down there and we found out that it's a little bit different down there. And we found that at 5 o'clock, we were having trouble actually finding something to do outside of the casino.
Yeah, so what I would recommend you guys, and I actually realized this when I was at the Sugar Factory, you need to make an event out of lunch and dinner. Go somewhere that you don't have in your hometown. Make it special. Stay a while. There are lots of fabulous restaurants in Vegas that would accommodate that kind of experience.
Yeah.
So that would be our advice to you during these strange times where there's no entertainment and no bars. So.
Yeah, so I think we are going to pause the videos for a little while on the Strip until things quiet down. We're actually going to find out on Monday. That would be the day after you're seeing this. Our governor's coming out with a long-term plan. And once we find out what that long-term plan is, I think we'll be able to figure out what we're going to do a little better, right?
Yeah, we'll make our plans. But we've already learned that MGM has canceled entertainment for the whole rest of the year. So the Strip is going to be quiet, and we're just not sure how all that's going to shake out.
All right. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button and follow us on our social media sites.
Thanks for coming with us on our 4th staycation in the space of 2 months. This is nuts.
Ka-ching, ka-ching.
No kidding. We are supporting the local economy.
Absolutely. Hope you had a good time. We'll see you next time.
Bye,
Bye-bye,
everybody.
everybody.